Millen from AV King. We've got this room set up with in-ceiling speakers and wall-mounted touchscreens. There's actually 3 systems set up in this room, and that's the third and the wireless connection here. In this video, I just wanted to show people that aren't familiar with these systems some of the settings. So you can go here and choose your camera focus. So it can be multi-focus, auto framing, speaker tracking, presenter tracking, or just off, which will be a wide view of the room. And the other options here, of course, is the display. So at the moment we've got that set to front row, and then of course you could set that to gallery if you want more participants. If you just click that off on the connection share, so that's what gallery will look like in the standard meeting, with a bigger view screen of the other end, and then front row just changes that layout a little bit depending on how many participants you've got in the meeting. And of course, if you do want to have the captions on, you can do that, but that will take up a little bit of the screen real estate down the bottom there. AV King, if you'd like a quote on any of these systems. Thank you.